Write in logarithmic form. In example A, they're asking us to write 8 equals to 2 to the third power in logarithmic form. So what we want to do when we want to switch from exponential form to log form is basically to identify the base of the exponent, which in this case would be 2, right? Rewrite the expression so that's on your left-hand side like that just for a second. And then what you're going to do after that is just add a log to the expression. So you're going to write log out in front here, and then you're going to switch these two positions. So then you're going to have, now what we really want to do is basically say log of 8 base 2 is equal to 3. So I'm just using this kind of simplified, identify the base of the exponent, put the log out in front, and then switch the other two numbers to help remind you of basically a visual way to do the problem. But keep in mind that the 2 here is the base of the logarithm, just like it was the base of the exponent. That hasn't changed. So remember, the base remains the base remains the base, right? So when you're dealing with logarithms, you're saying essentially that the base remains the same. It's the base of the exponent or the base of the logarithm. What switches is basically the exponent and the answer. That's what gets switched back and forth. Okay, so let's go back to doing this procedure for problem B now. If you look at b to the 4th is equal to 3.9, again, to switch into exponential form, you're going to add the log in front of the base. And then you're going to switch these two positions, right? When you switch these two positions, you're going to have log of 3.9 base b is now equal to 4, right? Because the 4 went over to the other side and the 3.9 came out to join the b and the log. Okay, so there's your answer for this one. In log form is log of 3.9 base b is equal to 4. All right, let's do C now. So again, the base here for the exponent is 4, so we're going to put a log in front of that. And then we're going to switch these two positions, right? So we're going to have log 5.2 base 4 is equal to x. And one more example, we have this e to the x is equal to 9. So if you want, you can use a log again. The base, of course, of the exponent is e, so you can put a log in front of that. So you would have log e to the x equals to 9. We're switching these positions next. So we'll have log of 9 base e is equal to x, right? So the x has come over to the right, the 9 has come over to the left-hand side. And then if you want, you can actually rewrite log of base e as simply ln of 9 equals to x, because log of base e is equal to ln. So what we're saying here is that log base e of anything, say for example x, is the same as just ln of x. So ln is another way to say log of base e.